In this quick start tutorial, we're going to be learning how to create a session in Pro Tools. Before you create your session, be sure that you've verified the connections between your equipment and your instrument or microphone. If you use an M-Audio interface, it needs to be turned on before you launch Pro Tools. If you're using M-Powered, make sure you've got your iLock in. Now let's get rolling. File, New Session. The Name the Session dialog window opens. Set your session parameters by choosing the audio file type, WAV if you're using a Windows PC. On a Mac, you can use either one, AIFF or WAV. Some Mac diehards swear by the AIFF format, but they are of comparable quality. Next, we need to select our sample rate. Standard CD sample rate is 44.1 kHz. Bit depth, new projects should be recorded in 24-bit. You will export in 16-bit. 16-bit is the standard quality for CDs, but for the recording process, we need a higher bit depth. I/O settings, a new M-Powered session will only have a stereo mix available. Let's select stereo mix. Older versions of Pro Tools will have some additional options down here. Enforce Mac PC compatibility. Now, Pro Tools has a wrapper that does this for you automatically. M-Powered 7.3 doesn't have these additional options here. Now let's browse for a place to save our session. I'm going to save it in Pro Tools Projects. Let's give it a name. Give it an appropriate name. Good file management from the beginning of your project is critical. We'll call it Session 1, and I'll give it a date. Let's say 0907. When you're done naming, let's click Save. Pro Tools needs a minute to do its business, and here is our New Sessions edit window. And this concludes our quick start introduction to creating and saving a session.